Okay, as you've noticed, it's a little quieter in here. I have all the servers off, nobody was on, and the UPS is installed. I just have the output of my, or the input of my PDU plugged into the to the UPS, and then I have my monitor, which as you can see is on, into the surge protected. So I'm going to turn this off. It's already off, but I'm going to turn the UPS on. I'm going to go ahead and turn the UPS on. Okay. And it's showing no load right now. I'm going to wait until it does a little self-test. Can you hear it? Okay, it's all ready. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Okay. And you can see it goes up to like 3 notches of load. Nope, and that's because my LAN server is on. So once that's done booting up, I'm just going to turn it off. Oh, see that? The little logo is like blue. So we're at going between 2 and 3% load. Or not percent, but... So I'm using... I couldn't... I wonder how... It says... Hang on. So if I switch this right now... Okay. So if I look on here... It says 0 events. "17 minutes, 20. Oh. That's kind of weird. Oh, cool. So now I have a watt meter. So it looks like I'm around 200 watts. 170. 30% load. That's kind of weird. It's showing up as a lot more. Oh, my. Can you guys see that? My display's blue. That's really weird. Maybe it's just because I'm not plugged in all the way. As you can see, it's kind of messy back here because this is really temporary. Once I buy new batteries. For my UPS, for my other one, this is going to be somewhere else. And this is going to have a better UPS. Well, hopefully that goes away. Let me try. Oh, that's okay. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, with oh, my main server's not on. Let's try turning it on. $270 watts. So I'm going to go ahead Okay, so with my LAN server off, we're back at 2 bars, 170 watts. I'm going to change this. So it says percentage. I like the dual display there. And if I hold it, I think I can turn off the display. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. So if you enjoyed it, leave a comment and a like. And tell me if you want to see more of this stuff on Fire Alert or Fire Alert Random. So yeah, bye!